Crude oil, daily forecast, October 16th, FXEmpire.com. The light sweet crude markets fell during this session on Tuesday, breaking below the 101 level for the first time in a while and closing below it, actually. That being the case, it does look weak at this moment, but we also recognize that the area below is probably going to be supportive all the way down to about $99. So even if we dip here, we're still a little hesitant to start shorting. And below there, there's actually quite a bit of noise as well. So we're actually looking for some type of buy signal, and until we get it, we are on the sidelines. We think it's going to be much easier to go long in this market, and therefore we're just hanging out, waiting to see a hammer or some type of candle like that in order to go long in this market. Remember, though, the value of the US dollar will dictate where we go, so we need to pay attention to that as well, as the two typically run inverse to each other. Looking at the Brent market, you can see that we fell pretty hard, breaking the bottom of this hammer, and that, of course, saw the market crash below the 110 level. A lot of support below, though, so we dare not sell, even though it looks like we may continue a little bit lower. We think 107 is probably the bottom of this area, and it really isn't until we get down to 104 or so that we run through all of the support. So we don't really have any plans to short this market. We think it's just going to be easier to wait for a buy signal. If we get it, we're willing to go long. We recognize 112 will be resistive, though. Until we get above there, it's going to be almost impossible to hang on to anything long term, but there is plenty of room if we do get that supportive candle to make a few dollars on the barrel.